Welcome back. In this video, we'll be writing the pseudocode for our file synchronization script. So let's get started. So as a reminder, this script will basically take the files from one folder and make sure a destination folder contains exactly the same files as our source folder. So that's something we want to run forever. So we're going to start with a repeat forever. Oh, not reap. We're going to repeat it forever. Then what we need to do is figure out the files in the source, right? Then we also want to get the files in the destination. Because we want to see the difference between the two. And there are two types of actions that we can perform. We can copy files from the source to the destination, and we can remove files from the destination if they have been deleted in the source. So we're going to do that in two parts. So let's start with the copy. For each file in the source, what we're going to do is we're going to check if the file exists in the destination. Then we're going to check if the file in the source is newer than the one in the destination. So if the file exists, we check if the source is newer than the destination. If it is, we copy the file over. Right? If it's not, then we do nothing. Then, on the other end, if the file does not exist in the destination, we copy the file over. Alright, so fairly straightforward. So that's what we're going to do. Now, let's go to the remove part, right? So now we check for each file in the destination, right? Because that's how we know we compare them, if they are in destination but not the source. And if there's no files in the destination, then we're good. Check if file exists in the source. And if it exists in the source, we remove file from the destination. So that's it. That's our pseudocode for our file sync script. In the next video, we'll be writing the actual code for our file sync script.